go? Do you have a vision of it? Do you have it somewhere where you can see what your vision is and where you want to be in the future? Hello, everybody. My name is John Dornoff, and this is the video series that talks about it, the future, your life, and improving your life. It is the dawn of a better life if you decide to make a choice and change your life. You have the opportunity, and that's what we talk about every single time. We want to see you have a great life because I want to live a great life, and I want you to have the same thing for you. And today we're going to talk about vision boards. And you're going, what exactly is a vision board? Basically, a vision board is this thing that I'm going to show you. This is a vision board. Now, the first time I heard about a vision board was from another YouTube channel called Cathrin Manning. She does a lot of YouTube videos on different aspects about YouTube. Although lately, a lot of them have been about home improvements. And she had a baby, so been talking about that somewhat. But one of the things she did was talk about this vision board. Now, I've heard this also from other YouTubers that I listen to and respect. And I decided, oh yeah, now I had goals, but and you can write the goals down, which is a good thing because you see them every day if you look at them. But the great thing about this is visual. Now, if you notice, I got some sayings here that, motivational sayings, but the rest of it is also supposed to be what you are looking for out of your life. So, to give you an idea here, I got some trains. I'm a transportation geek. I love planes, trains, automobiles, you name it. Now, like this one's a Lufthansa 747. I have not been on a 747 since I was 11 years old. And they are a dying breed. They are, another 10, 15 years, the 747 will be gone. And it was such a legendary, such a remarkable trend, airplane that set the trend for years to come. And so I really want to get now hopefully, well, if all goes well, next May, I will finally get one. I was actually supposed to fly one in April 2023 when I went to Europe. Unfortunately, I got to fly a rare plane, the A340-600, which is that plane right there. It was the longest plane ever built until the 747-8 came out in 2008. But I got to fly that plane. Flying back, I was supposed to fly on the 747, except for the fact they switched the plane from a 747 down to the A330. Kind of a disappointment there. I understood why, because the plane was half empty as it was. Probably could have filled a 737. Of course, the 737 can't make it that far, but really did not have that many passengers on. So I can understand why they made the switch. Just didn't work out that well, but hopefully I'll make up for it the next time. Now you see some pictures with streetcar. I love streetcar systems. I love examining how they fit into the urban environment. This is what I'd like to do on vacation. Okay, I'm weird. I'll fully admit it. And then you got some places I love to travel to. Pretty much everywhere. Looking in cars. I switched out all the cars from what I had on here. It's like what we want for our next car, where we want to go. You see a lot with photography here because I love photography. And it's one of the ways I relax is actually going out and taking pictures. You see here a lot of pictures of like living on the coast. My wife and I have lived on the Oregon coast. We love the coast and we want to move back. If not the coast, maybe a beautiful lake place. But of course, there's a lot of as expensive as it is, don't know if that's going to work out. And then, but Astoria, we lived there in the past, and of course, want to be healthy. I probably should have more pictures of that, but it was actually kind of hard to find ones that weren't really young people, and it just didn't fit. So I found one. But yeah, I want to travel a lot, take some unique trains. The Shetland Islands is there, um, Japan, Scotland. I mean, other places in Scotland. So yeah, but this is what a vision board is. It allows you to think about the future, dream about the future. And then you can get so excited when one of the, you look at one of these and go, I've done that. And now I need to redo my vision board because there's new ideas out there. So do you have a vision board? Should you have one? Of course you should have one. All you have to do is get a foam board and do some pictures. You can get the pictures off of Pinterest or any other sites, print them off and glue them on. It is really simple. But I sit there and see those and go, that's going to happen. When is it going to happen? How fast can I make it happen? I mean, one of the things that I mentioned, Cathrin Manning's website, her goals was to have a lake house. Well, guess what? She got a lake house. She ended up buying a lake house a lot faster than she thought of and spent time renovating it. That became her YouTube channel from, talking a lot about YouTube. But it shows that, this helps you because you get to see what you're dreaming of. What are your dreams? What will you put on your vision board? I would love to see them. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll talk to you next time.